my family got a Christmas tree. Ho, ho, ho.
Hey, what's going on? This is Wreck Gear here, and we are going out to get the Wreck Gear family Christmas tree. I'm Bronson, aka Desert Billy Bronson. This is Jessica. We got Rock Crawler Rue back here. She's going to be picking out our tree. She's a little overqualified. Looks a little bit like an elf. But then we got Badass Brody. He's helping out, and yeah, he's pretty much the muscle, so we don't have to do a whole lot. But yeah, we're gonna take you on a little adventure, show you how to get a tree, and show you can go do a little bit of rock crawling in the winter season or trail riding, and pick up yourself a tree. It's only 20 bucks, by the way, instead of spending whatever it is at Walmart or buying a fake one, because you know, if you haven't seen Christmas Vacation, you don't know how much it really means to go get yourself a real tree. So get out there, go wheeling, and hope you enjoy a little bit of adventure.
Colby, this way. This way.
I'm gonna eat shit.
I'm 5.5 feet tall.
Oh, it's got the perfect base and everything. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just like we did last year, yeah.
Oh, you're trying to take the other way.
And your car seat.
Alright, so we had a long day getting the perfect Wreck family Christmas tree. We looked and wheeled our pants off, and in the end we finally found one. It was way after dark, so we actually stopped here at Safeway and we stocked up on some eggnog and maybe a little Southern Comfort to spike that with. We're going to go ahead and we're going to load this up and watch Christmas Vacation. Not a bad way to start the holidays.
Ho, ho, ho.
High five! Christmas tree!
Our Christmas adventure. I'm out of cookie and milk. Bye. Merry Christmas.